Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chema Okonkwo. I am a registered nurse. I am a naturopath, and most importantly, I am a wellness coach. So you can call me your nurse wellness coach. People call me the fruit nurse because I preach a lot about using fruits for healing. So guys, this channel is basically for health, music, because I love music. So sometimes you might see me sing and play guitar for you. But most importantly, I will be focusing on, for the next 3 to 4 months, I'll be focusing on cancer. I'll be talking about cancer, prevention of cancer, the food you have to eat when you are on chemotherapy, the side effects of this chemo, emotional support, and everything you need to know about cancer. So this is a channel where you come here and you go back feeling happy even if you've been diagnosed of cancer. So guys, I just want you guys to understand that if you are watching this video, you should subscribe, you should comment, like, and most importantly, share to the women and to people who need this information. Yes, because you and I, we have a role to play in prevention of cancer and also helping people who have been diagnosed of this cancer to see life again, to be able to, be happy and see information, get to know information that they can use to help themselves. Okay, so today I just want to encourage you, if you've been diagnosed of cancer, be it breast cancer, ovarian cancer, prostate cancer, just name it, you need to know that you have a chance to fight. You have the chance to fight, and you must fight. You are a warrior and you have to fight. So if you know anyone who have been suffering from any chronic disease, especially the 6-letter word cancer, please refer them to this channel, because we are going to be talking about so much about prevention, using of food, using of fruits, energy therapy, and so many other information that I'm sure you can't find anywhere. So I always tell people that my story started about 7, 8, 9 years ago, where I met a woman with end-stage cancer, and she was given about 2 weeks to 2 months to live. Fortunately for her, she was my case study patient, because I was in 200 level at that time in my college, that's School of Nursing, University College Hospital in Ibadan. So right and there on the ward, I started browsing about natural therapies to help people who are already diagnosed of cancer, and that was how we started. Myself and the daughter started helping the woman, and she lived for good 8 years. And since then, I have been able to help other people that have lost hope, especially those people that have been diagnosed of cancer, that have lost hope. We've been able to bring that hope back to them with the use of fruits, nature, natural therapy, God, and emotional therapy. So guys, this is my story. I am a passionate nurse. I want to help you. I want this channel to be able to give you that hope. I want you to come to this place and feel that you are not alone. You are not alone. So this channel will help you and make you understand the power of food and fruits in terms of healing, and in terms of how your body can be a self-healing machine if you give it the right food. So thank you guys. I'm going to drop the next video very soon. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to share. My name is Chema Okonkwo. As I said, people call me the fruit nurse, but I am passionate about helping you. Take care.